All right, welcome to Garage Topics. We're out here at King of the Heap driving this Hyundai. We're gonna do a drag pass and then we're gonna do some road course and then autocross as well. But got a lot of horsepower here, trying to keep it under the hood with the hood scoop. All right. Hitting pretty slow. All right, gonna do some track stuff now. All right, here we go. Here we go. The track was all right. Got a little bit of brake dust. These were yellow at one point in time, but other than that, the car is holding up real good. We welded this on last year, so we got a bunch of rust. And of course, got that yellow there. There's a bunch of different cars out this year, like this Prelude is real fresh. I'm just gonna walk down the line. Good old Crown Vic. Those are a crowd favorite. This TL is super quick, but it might be having some issues. Race car. Marlboro Light Cavalier doing work. This RX-8, pretty competitive car. Got some sick muffler. Oh yeah, this thing is sick. Now the Mazda in the house, Mazda 3. This thing looks real flat out on the track and the autocross. Paint scheme's pretty cool too. Got the old Teggy, looking real good. This is a favorite from last year, the Maybelline Hairdresser's Miata. Super fresh, it's pretty rusty though. The Merc doing work. Ken Block came out here. It's a new livery. This guy was here last year, the team was. New livery though, looks real dope. Got a Contour, an Eclipse, Buick Roadmaster, which I'm in love with. More on that later. They're gonna start rolling down, so I'm gonna go back down the line. All right, so my go on the autocross. Should be good to go. It's about to start raining here again. So everything's slick, makes it a little bit fun. This car is pretty forgiving. It is what it is. It just underdrives, understeers a bunch. But it was a nice car at one point in time, and it still kind of is. It drives all right, besides all the chick engine lights. Hopefully I'll get a run in before it starts pouring rain. All right, it started raining, but we got some dope ass music. I don't think YouTube's gonna get me for this. $243. Well, yeah, that out there was fun. That was a blast. Shit, we're getting delayed because it's lightning like a mofo outside, so no course workers are out, so we're just chilling. Thankfully, we got this VIP tent, so we're looking like a true race team here. It's kind of funny, but yeah, we're just waiting it out right now. Yeah. Ready? Go. Oh, she's slippery. Good.
That was a good one.
Yeah, that was good. That was nice and smooth.
That was good.
Yeah, all right. Alright, I didn't get to wrap up yesterday's video because I was towing the truck home. It's getting dark. Thankfully I had four-wheel drive because I got stuck in my own yard, which sucked, but Toyota towed great. I can make a whole nother video on that. Here's the car in the flesh. Everything was fine. Next race is another month from now, so we might make some small tune-ups, take a look at the alignment and stuff, but other than that, she's good to go. Thanks a lot for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like, comment, share with your friends. Let me know what you think. I hope you have fun, and hopefully this inspires you to go do something fun with cars. Catch you later.